Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe apps on Google Play. So if you have an apps that you need to subscribe and you want to unsubscribe it, you can just go to your Google Play Store and then click on your profile account at the top, and here select the payments app and subscription option, and you'll find at the second row here the subscription. Select on that and you'll find here the list of apps that you subscribed before in Google Play. So in this case I only have one subscription, and then if you want to unsubscribe it, just click on the apps here and you'll find the post payments and also the cancel subscription option. To post payment, you can just click on this, but if you want to unsubscribe, you can just click cancel subscription, and then here you'll find the warning question: would you rather post your subscription, like this. And if you want to still want to unsubscribe, you can just click no thanks, or you can also click on post subscription. Okay, so that is how you can unsubscribe an apps in Google Play. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.